Welcome to Karnataka LMS. Myself Suguna HG, Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, Chintamani. In this video, I am presenting you permutation groups. Definition of permutation groups. A 1-1 mapping of a given finite non-empty set S of n distinct elements to itself is called a permutation of degree n. Consider a finite set S containing elements a1, a2, a3, so on an of n distinct elements, and let us define a mapping F from S to S itself, because from the definition, see, a 1-1 mapping of a given finite non-empty set S of n distinct elements to itself is called a permutation of degree n. So consider a finite set S is equal to a1, a2, a3, so on an of n distinct elements, and define a mapping F from S to S is 1, 1 and onto. Means every element of S has image and unique image. Then let us take the images as f of a1, f of a2, so on f of an are the elements of S, and let the f of a1 is equal to b1, f of a2 is equal to b2, and f of an is equal to bn. Then we denote the permutation F on S in two-row notation as following. That is, F is equal to A1, A2, A3, dash, 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 AN. This is the elements of domain, and elements of codomain are B1, B2, B3, Bn. They are nothing but the images of A1, A2, A3, so on AN respectively. So let me define once again. A 1-1 mapping of a given finite non-empty set of n distinct elements to itself is called a permutation of degree n. Now consider S is equal to a1, a2, a3, so on an of n distinct elements, and define a mapping F from S to S itself, and let us take this as 1, 1 and onto. 1, 1 means every element of domain S has image, and onto means the codomain, that is the next S set here. So its elements are the images of this, and they are the unique images as f of a1, f of a2, f of an. Then the image of a1 is equal to b1, image of a2 is equal to b2, and f of an, image of an is bn. Then we denote the permutation F on S in a two-row matrix notation, that is, F is equal to a1, a2, a3, so on n, and the second row b1, b2, b3, bn. Means f of a1 is b1, f of a2 is b2, f of a3 is b3, f of an is bn. So like this we denote the permutation F on a given set S. Few examples for this. Let S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, a set with the 4 elements, and F be a permutation on S defined by F of 1 is equal to 2, F of 2 is equal to 4, F of 3 is equal to 1, and F of 4 is equal to 3. Now let's see how we can write this permutation. That is, F is equal to, see, the first S set, that is domain S elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the codomain we have the images respectively. The image of 1 is 2, so the second row first element, that is the image of 1, that is f of 1 is equal to 2, and f of 2 is 4, right in the second column. Then f of 3 is equal to 1, f of 4 is equal to 3. So this is the corresponding permutation for the given set. Let us discuss few properties of permutations. The first one, equality of two permutations. Let f and g be two permutations of degree 3. Degree 3 means the S set contains 3 elements, that is S is equal to a comma b comma c we have denoted, and we have considered two permutations f and g, where f is equal to a b c and image of a, that is f of a is equal to b, f of b is equal to c and f of c is equal to a we have defined like this, that we can represent symbolically, that is f of a is equal to b, f of b is equal to c and f of c is equal to a, and g of b is equal to c, g of c is equal to a, g of a is equal to b. See, what does it implies? Here f of a is b, then g of a is also equal to b. So image of a in both the permutations, it is same. See, f of a is b, g of a is b, and f of b is c, g of b is also equal to c. See these two elements here. Image of b is c, here also image of b is c. Okay, and similarly image of c is a, and image of c in g is also equal to a. Now you just observe, f of a is equal to b, g of a is equal to b, f of b is equal to c, g of b is equal to c, f of c is equal to a, g of c is equal to a. See, the images are equal. So f of a is equal to g of a is equal to b, f of b is equal to g of b is equal to c, and f of c is equal to g of c is equal to a. Hence these two permutations are equal. Therefore f of a is equal to g of a for all elements a belongs to S, and hence the two permutations are equal. See, if f of a is equal to g of a for a belongs to S, then the two permutations f and g are equal. So it is equality of two permutations. Identity permutation. Here we consider a mapping I on a set S containing of distinct elements onto itself is called an identity permutation of degree n. See, here I is defined from S into S, and where S containing a distinct elements onto itself is called an identity permutation. Let us denote this permutation as I is equal to first row the elements of the set S, a1, a2, a3, an, and here in the definition it is clear that the elements are mapped to themselves. So the image of a1 is a1 itself, and image of a2 is a2 itself, image of a3 is a3, image of an is an. That means f of a1 is equal to a1, f of a2 is equal to a2, so on. So that is called the identity permutation. Now we go for the product of permutations. We call it as composite of permutations. So to find out this one, so we have to take two permutations, and two permutations of same degree, that is degree n. Then the composite mapping g of f and f of g. Let f and g be two permutations defined on a finite set S. See, here we have taken the finite set S of degree n. So f and g are the two permutations defined on a finite set S of degree n. Then the composite mapping g of f and f of g are defined by g of f of x. G of f of x is equal to f of g of x for all x belongs to S. So g of f of x is equal to f of g of x for all x belongs to S. Yes. Similarly, we have f of g of x is equal to g of f of x for all x belongs. These two are the possible mappings, and both mappings are 1-1 mappings of S onto itself. Now let us work out a problem based on this. Let the set S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and the permutation F is defined as 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, and G permutation is defined as 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 2. Then find f of g and g of x. So to find f of g and g of x, I'll consider simultaneously both f of g and g of f. Let us calculate from the first element. F of g of 1 is equal to g of f of 1. The f of 1 value is, that is the image of 1 in f is 2. So in the place of f of 1, put 2. Then g of 2 means image of 2 in g is 1. See, image of 2 in g is 1. That's why f of g of 1 is equal to 1. And similarly, g of f means the first element of g we are taking, that is g of f of 1 is nothing but f of g of 1. So g of 1 is 3. So write g of 1 as 3 here. So you get f of g of 1 is equal to f of 3, and f of 3 means 3's image in f, which is 4. So g of f of 1 is equal to 4. So first elements we have calculated here. Then go to the second one. F of g of the second element of the first row of f is 2. Then f of g of 2 is g of f of 2. F of 2 image is 3. Then g of 3. The image of 3 in g is 4. Hence, f of g of 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, take second element of g, that is g of f of 2, which is f of g of 2. G of 2 is 1. Hence, f of g of 2 becomes f of 1. F of 1 is equal to what? 2. And the third element, 3. Then f of g of 3 is equal to g of f of 3. F of 3 value is 4. Substitute here. Hence, g of f of 3 is equal to g of 4. And g of 4 is, here in the g, it is 2. So, f of g of 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, g of f of 3 is equal to f of g of 3. G of 3, image of third one is 4. So, f of 4 in f, the image of 4 is 1. So, g of f of 3 is equal to 1. Then, the last element, fourth element of the first row, that is 4. F of g of 4 is nothing but g of f of 4, which is equal to f of 4 is what in this one? 1. So, g of 1 is 3. Hence, f of g of 4 is equal to 3. And the fourth element in the g, that is g of f of 4, is equal to f of g of 4. G of 4 is 2. So, it is f of 2. F of 2 means image of 2 is 3. Hence, f of 2 is equal to 3. Now, see, we have calculated the f of g of 1. F of g of 1 is 1. And f of g of 2 is 4. F of g of 3 is 2. F of 4 of f of g of 4 is 3. See, this becomes the f of g's second row. Similarly, g of f of the first element is 4. G of F second element is 2. Then G of F of 3 is 1. G of F of 4 is 3. Hence, the F of G is equal to the first row of F remains as it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second row, that is the image row, we have calculated. Image of first element is 1. So 1, 1. And the second element is 2, so that is 4. And third element is 3, its image is 2. And the fourth element is 4, its image is 3 we have calculated. So F of G is equal to this one. Then similarly, G of F is equal to first row of G as it is. Then the second row, that is G of F of 1 is equal to 4. That's the first image, that is image of 1. And image of 2 is 2. Image of 3 is 1. Image of 4 is 3. Hence, F of G is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 2, 3. And G of F is equal to 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3. Now you observe here, F of G is not equal to G of F. Why? Because image of 1 is 4, image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 4, image of 3 is 2, image of 4 is 3 in F of G. But in case of G of F, image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 1, image of 4 is 3. Hence, the F of G is not equal to G of F. So, thank you.